Perplexity AI. This isn't just another search engine, it's a game changer. By the end of this video, you'll see why Perplexity AI is becoming an essential tool for students, researchers, professionals, and even everyday users. Let's get started. So, what is Perplexity AI? Imagine Google, but smarter. Instead of giving you a bunch of links to sift through, it delivers direct, accurate answers with sources you can trust. Think of it like having an expert friend who listens, refines your questions, and gives you the best possible answer, instantly. Launched in 2022, Perplexity AI has seen massive growth. As of March, it has over 15 million active users, up 50% from last year. That kind of growth isn't just luck. It's because this tool truly makes searching easier and more effective. But why is it growing so fast? The simple answer: people are tired of scrolling through pages of links, digging through unreliable sources, and dealing with endless ads. Perplexity AI changes all of that by providing direct, reliable answers. All right, let's talk about what makes Perplexity AI stand out. Here are the top features you need to know. Direct answers with citations. No more scrolling through endless links. Perplexity AI gives you clear, concise answers with sources so you can verify the information yourself. It pulls from real-time sources, ensuring that the information is always up to date. Conversational search. It feels like chatting with a knowledgeable assistant. You can ask follow-up questions, and it remembers the context. No need to rephrase everything or start from scratch. It's a search engine that actually understands you. Multi-platform accessibility. You can access Perplexity AI from your browser, a mobile app, or even a Chrome extension. Organized research tools. With features like spaces and collections, you can save, categorize, and even share your research. This is super useful for students, professionals, and content creators. Real-time information. Unlike static AI models, Perplexity AI fetches real-time data, making it perfect for news updates, stock market insights, and academic research. So why should you be using Perplexity AI? Well, let's be honest. Searching for information online can be frustrating. Traditional search engines often flood you with sponsored results, outdated articles, and misleading content. Perplexity AI cuts through the clutter and gets straight to the point. This saves time, reduces frustration, and makes researching more efficient. It's especially valuable for students who need reliable sources, professionals making quick decisions, and anyone who just wants a straight answer without the hassle. Now, you might be wondering, how does it compare to AI tools like ChatGPT or Gemini? The difference is focus. While ChatGPT and Gemini are fantastic for brainstorming and creative writing, Perplexity AI is all about delivering factual cited answers. Think of it like this: ChatGPT is like an idea machine. It can generate creative concepts, help with writing, and even code for you. Perplexity AI, on the other hand, is like a research assistant. It provides clear, verifiable facts in seconds. It's not trying to be creative, it's trying to be accurate. And here's the exciting part: the future looks bright for Perplexity AI. It's backed by major tech investors like Jeff Bezos and NVIDIA, which means we can expect even more powerful features and improvements in the coming years. Perplexity Pro already offers enhanced capabilities like increased search limits, better text-to-image functionalities, and a developer sandbox. If you're looking for an AI tool that fits seamlessly into your workflow, this is one to watch. So there you have it. Perplexity AI isn't just another AI tool. It's redefining how we interact with information. It's fast, reliable, and user-friendly. No more endless scrolling, no more unreliable sources, just straight-to-the-point answers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.